Willy Wonka for the old timers. Veterans Day here on the American Legion Highway in Revere, Massachusetts. I don't know if you remember the NECCO wafers, if you're old enough to remember the NECCO wafers, but this is their home here. Corporate headquarters and factory, corporate offices. Part of the New England Confectionery Company, but obviously best known for the NECCO wafer that many of us old timers grew up with. Lately, there's smoke in that factory there, but lately there's been talk here of layoffs at the factory. And I've just been to the front desk, and they said that there's no tours. And I heard there was a candy shop here, and it is closed, and nothing further was mentioned. So, but here in Revere, Massachusetts, it's here, the NECCO wafer factory and corporate offices of the New England Confectionery Company. And, time will tell. I'm sure they're good paying jobs, and you'd hate to see them go, but I don't know. And it might pose a problem, too, for the neighborhood kids, I would think, too, if this factory went down. Not only for mom and dad, but maybe for the kids too, because just perfect planning put the Rumney Marsh Academy, what do you know, right across from the NECCO Candy Company. I mean, does it get any better than that, boys and girls? NECCO is right across from Rumney Marsh Academy. I don't know who their football team is there, but it looks pretty big. I mean, they got, of course, soccer. So don't worry, Mom. And it looks like baseball up above there. So, yeah, and it looks like a pretty extensive campus there for the Rumney Ruminettes, or whatever their teams are, at the Rumney Marsh Academy, okay, right across from NECCO, which I think is pretty cool in itself. And further up there, I don't know if you can see this, right above the NECCO plant is a Comfort Inn and Suites. So, I think it's kind of cool that they have a Comfort Inns and Suites right over here above the NECCO wafer plant. I think it gives new meaning to park and ride, okay? However you want to figure that out. It's funny because along here, at the end of the road here, there is a sign right in the middle of the highway there, in the roadway up ahead there, that says, that the Comfort Inn parking lot or area is closely monitored. So obviously, I am not the first child to come up with this idea of the Comfort Inns and Suites next to NECCO. Okay, so you got your Comfort Inns and Suites there, and you got your NECCO wafer company there, and you got all of the innocent children over there. And it's not a far shout from the football field, to the park. All right.